Ki nongkit kam jong ka BJP Meghalaya ki bakantup ya ba one kit bok pochna State General Secretary ba kraw bok lang basayo mat State Vice President hani kesngi gelapan benapat ba ya ka kerting jong ki President jong ki mandal ba pher hakeleng ki constituency jong ke jela Meghalaya habakren hagani ki jingelang nageleng ba one kit bok pochna State General Secretary ulai itu bahadu mentala don kumba arp san gutam ki papan tiket na ke BJP bat menta kimperla ban rai ne ban penbena ban ai tiket yano henration kin sasyong dak State Election Committee ban shim ya karai ula ongru ba nagaleng jong ke BJP ka don ke jingkermen ban job hadu ispaungut ha baro arteli ki district council.
I take my opportunity to wish you a very happy New Year. So, without delay, I will just read the names of the Mandal President, which has been complete all the formalities as per the guidelines of the national. So, from the first Natyang, Franklin Samse, from 2 Jowai, Kermen Sangshai, 3 Raliang, Lanki Lingdo, 4 Maukayao, Heimon Rabon, 5 Sutunga Saipung, Polycrus Sirti, 6 Clariat, Sanbor Rambai, 7 Amlarem, Leonie Sumer, 8 Mauhati, Rikchem Lingdo, 9 Nongpo, Sterin Kimdate, 10 Jirang, Himanta Timung, 11 Sning, Gilbert Nongrum, 12 Umroy, Ping Ramshan, 13 Mauran Keneng, Dhosing Mokim, 14 Puntor Umkra, Elias Karyem, 15 Maulai, Rehana Majau, 16 East Shillong, Robert Dingdo, 17 Shillong, George Lingwa, 8 West Shillong, Suman Chakrabarti, 9 South Shillong, Gabriel Dorling, 20 Milliam, L. Nathan Rintatiang, 21 Nong Tumai, Ajit Deep Neng Nong, 22 Nong Krem, Amrus K. Tinsier, 23 So Yong, Sharan Singh Lingkoi, 24 Mau Plang, Derilang Juba, 25 Mausen Ram, Badan Marak, 26 Shela, Ratho Bopang, 27 Plusla, Agnes Mary Jaktung, 28 Sora, Gitalin Nongrum, 29 Maukan Row, Shanbor Nongdhar, 30 Mairang, Vicky Paul Saukme, 31 Mautat Raishan Jonas Marngar, 32 Nongstoin Dios Tanes Jendiang, 33 Ramrai Jirngam Ronald Shangpliang, 34 Maushinrut Dominic Rangrin, 35 Ranikor Brospolis Imle, 36 Maukarwat Fedanin Yaupnyau, 37 Kurkuta Salman Mumin, 38 Mendipothar Kamal Rabah, 39 Resibul Para Jafar Mumin, 40 Bajeng Doba Sil Seng Marak, 41 Songkak Sanjay Marak, 42 Rongjeng Looking Sangma, 43 William Nagar Gaurav Marak, 44 Raksang Gre Terson Marak, 45 the Trikikila Ranjit Rabah, 46 Pulbari Simon D. Sangma, 47 Rajabala Chengrik M. Marak, 48 Selsila Misan Marak, 49 Datengiri Krunalak Sangma, 50 Tura Joshila C.H. Marak, 51 South Tura Great Sun Marak, 52 Raksangkona Arnab Hajong, 53 Ampati Pramenda Coach, 54 Mahendraganj Guddahar Hajong, Salman Para Dhabeshwar Hajong, Gambagre Matthias N. Marak, Dalu Sengkal A. Sangma, 58 Ronggara Siju, Bamil.
Electronic media. I'll just highly brief you on the organizational festival which is going on currently. It's called Sangathan Parv. It's wherein the party once in 5 years allows us to renew our membership as well as enroll new members. So this exercise started in the month of September on 2nd, wherein our first primary member was our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. Thereafter, all the national leaders, the state leaders, the district leaders renewed the membership, as well as we went throughout the state, in fact throughout the country, to enroll new members. So in this exercise, the party could gather more than 12.8 crores new memberships this time. And in Meghalaya alone, under the leadership of our state convener, Shri A.L. Hegji, we had registered new primary members of more than 60,000. Now we are almost completing the exercise. So now we are starting off with the organizational elections. We started off with the booth elections, which got over in the last month. And this month, we are now going to announce the list of the 60 Mandal presidents that has been elected from all the 60 assembly segments of the state. And this will be for the term of 2025 to 2028. So now I will call upon our state returning officer, Shri Krawbok Basiamatji, who is also our state vice president.
President, Mandal President.
Well, how this?
It will make a grassroots presence felt, since we have Mandal presidents, so the connect between the state leadership through the district leadership can be well connected to the constituencies through the Mandal presidents. All the while, our membership count was not as we have today. We have registered more than 60,000 primary members in the entire 3-month exercise. So I'm sure with these new faces and the new Mandal presidents will be able to make inroads, in all the weak areas which we are experiencing all the while.
Do you?
So I'll just mention the name of the top 5 mandals which are experiencing good membership. One is South Shillong, and the second was Pinthorapikra, third Ampati constituency, fourth is East Shillong, and fifth is Mendipathar. So these constituencies has given us good number of members. We have received applicants, but the election committees will be into it. So basically, I'm sure they will come up with certain results.
When election committee will say?
I have no idea, but
Very soon.
very soon. I think so. More than 25 applicants have applied.
Because today is the last date of submit applications. So.
How many seats you planning to?
I'm sure. I don't have the numbers with me, but I'm sure a good number of seats will be contested.
Because we didn't check the application up to now, there's in the box. So we'll see where after we open the box and see how many applicants are applied, then we will see.
You said today is the last.